Today we'll be covering part 3 of MiniOS setup. So in part 1, I presented how to update and upgrade and then install a couple of programs and then modified bash.bashrc and then also move the panel from default on the bottom to the up and to the top, and also adjusted the placement of these workspaces here. There's 6 of them, and also the programs that are running will show up here. And on part 2, we jumped into keyboard shortcuts and also added the volume control with the ALT up and down arrows, and then we closed any app that's running with just F4 rather than ALT F4. And then today what we'll be doing is we'll be creating a small browser.sh script, and this will place the a script in the workspace number 1. It starts with 0, so if you place 1 here, that it'll place it in workspace 2, for example, but we'll go ahead and go back to 1. Then also these options here on window manager control will not allow another Firefox to be running in any other workspace. So if you trigger this browser.sh, even from workspace number 6, it'll go back to the workspace number 1 and focus. Have to do is create this file, and I made it easy, so you can just go ahead and copy here, and then we're gonna go ahead and copy. Then we're gonna open up a terminal, shift and insert. Then what this will do is it'll go to the USR local bin folder, which is in path. And then also sudo touch browser, you'll create a .browser.sh file with a touch, and then we'll make that file executable. Edit it in a geany browser, and then the terminal itself will exit. So what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and enter. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to cheat a little bit, and what we'll do is we'll just enter here, we'll just copy it, and browser.sh, paste, middle mouse click, and then we're going to just save everything. And then what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and trigger it and see if the browser.sh works. So browser.sh, so if it works, we're on workspace number 5, I believe, and Firefox should start here. So we'll just go ahead and test it. And then this is my own configuration of the Firefox, so it starts without any problem. So that part works. So just close it and then go back. And then rather than typing in browser.sh every time, what we need to do is what I want to do is just put it on the keyboard binding. So we'll just go to keyboard binding app, and then go to application shortcuts, and then we'll make it a little larger here, and then we're going to add, and then command is browser.sh, and then OK, and then I want to trigger it with a super and W key, super W. So super W has been bound to browser.sh, and then close, and then we're gonna close everything now and then see if it works. Let's just move to workspace number 6, and then I'm just gonna trigger it with a super and W key, and then now it works fine. So that's how you can set up a small script to be able to place Firefox. So let's just go back to another workspace here. This is the workspace number 3, and I'll go ahead and super W again, and it's just gonna, it won't open another one. I use this pretty much the same script in Puppy Linux. That's why I copied it.